worksheet 1. If you have any doubt in the worksheet 1, then you must share to me about your doubt. Have you any doubt in worksheet 1? Hello? Have you any doubt in worksheet 1? किसी बच्चे को वर्कशीट 1 में डाउट्स है? नहीं है डाउट्स? हेलो? Have any doubt in worksheet 2? वर्कशीट 2 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट्स? वर्ड्स क्या? किस वर्कशीट का? किस वर्कशीट? The lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 4:7. I have solved question number 11 of worksheet 1. In question number 11, it is given that the ratio of parallel sides with 4:7, having the height of trapezium 14 meter and area 385 meter square, then find out the length of parallel sides. Here, ratio of length of parallel sides is given as 4:7. So initially, we have assumed the same, that let AB is equal to 7x and CD is equal to 4x. जहाँ भी रेशियो की बात होगी वहाँ x फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Hence, according to figure, we have the same result. Area of trapezium ABCD become equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Or 385 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4x plus 7x into 14, because height is given as 14 meter. Or 385 by 7 is equal to 11x. 7 to the 14. Therefore, 11x is equal to 55. That is x is equal to 5. After calculating x, we become able to evaluate the value of AB and CD, where AB is equal to 7x, 7 into 5, that is 35 meters, and CD is equal to 4x, 4 into 5, that is 20 meters. That is your answer. Have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay, note it. इरेज कर दें.
Yes, yes, sir. The perimeter of a trapezium is 104 meter. Its non-parallel sides are 18 meter and 22 meter, and its altitude is 16 meter. Then find the area of trapezium.
I have solved question number 12. It is given in the question that PQRS is a trapezium. Let PQRS is a trapezium in which parallel sides PQ is equal to A and RS is equal to B. Now it is given in the question that perimeter of such given trapezium is 104 meter. Hence, according to figure, we have the same result: A plus 22 plus B plus 18 is equal to 104. According to question, we have the same result: PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is equal to 104, or A plus 22 plus B plus 18 is equal to 104. It is given in the question that the dimension of non-parallel sides are 18 meter and 22 meter. That's why we have assumed the same, that SP is equal to 18 meter and QR is equal to 22 meters. Hence, according to figure, we have the same result: A plus 22 plus B plus 18 is equal to 104, or A plus B plus 40 is equal to 104. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 104 minus 40, that is A plus B is equal to 64. Now, area of trapezium PQRS is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. This is equal to half into A plus B into H. This is equal to half into 64 into 8. 16. This will be equal to 8 to the 16. 64 into 8. This is equal to 512 meter square. It is your required area of such given trapezium. Also, PS is equal to 18 meter and QR is equal to 22 meter. इसको भी assume करेंगे बेटा, because it is not given in the question that which one is 18 meter and another one is 22 meter. It is not given in the question. That's why you have to assume the same, that let PS is equal to or SP is equal to 18 meter and QR or RQ is equal to 22 meter. It is given in the question only that the two non-parallel sides are 18 meter and 22 meter. So which one is 18 meter and which one is 22 meter? So to answer the question, you have to clarify the same, that let PS equal to 18 meter and QR equal to 22 meter. इसको भी assume करेंगे हम लोग. Hence the result. Have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? If you have any doubt at any point, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve your problem. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. देखो बैठिंग आ गया. फिर कनेक्टिंग हो रहा है. नेट देना पड़ेगा क्या? इसको इरेज कर दें. इरेज कर देना. Yes, I'm going to teach worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. Have any doubt in worksheet 2? Already theme has been cleared.
वर्कशीट 3 में है।
नहीं, वर्कशीट 2 का हमने क्वेश्चन नहीं बताया था ना। Have any doubt in worksheet 2?
Sir, question number 3.
Yes, question number 3. It is given in the question that the top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure 14.12. Find the area enclosed by octagonal figure. This is your figure. According to figure, we have the same dimension. It is given in the question that your octagon is regular. If your octagon is regular, then all sides or all 8 sides must be equal to each other. If octagon is irregular, then all 8 sides must be equal to each other. Regular pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon all have that same dimension, means length of each side must be equal to each other. It is given in the question that it is a regular octagon, so all sides of the octagon become equal to each other. Left area enclosed by octagonal figure. देखिए, this is 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. This is 11. This is your trapezium. This A, B, C, H is your trapezium, in which this side is parallel to that side. This is 4. That is also 4, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Area of, according to figure, इसको बच्चे फिगर समझ लेंगे. एरिया ऑफ रेगुलर ऑक्टागन A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is equal to area of trapezium ABCH plus this is 11, that is 11 meter, this is 5, that is 5. Area of a rectangle CDGH plus area of trapezium DEFG is equal to this, half into area of trapezium ABCH, sum of the parallel sides AB plus CH into height x, फिर plus area of rectangle CDGH, length into breadth, that is GD into this is length, that is breadth. यहाँ से एकदम सीधा ऐसे है. This GD into CD plus 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides GD plus EF into height FY, this is Y into FY, this is equal to 1 by 2 AB 5 plus 11 into AX, that is 4 plus 11 into 5 plus 1 by 2 11 plus 5 into 4, that is 2, this is equal to 16 into 2 plus 55 plus 16 into 2, 32 plus 55 plus 32, this is equal to 1
119 meter square. This is right solution. सेंटीमीटर है, all are in centimeter है, so meter square. Yes, it is your answer. Have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट है?
No, sir.
सारे बच्चे को समझ में आया है या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
In next class, I will teach you surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. सारे बच्चे नए टॉपिक्स को पढ़ कर रखेंगे. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ cuboid, cube and cylinder. Okay. After that, if you have any doubt in worksheet 2, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve your problem. Have any doubt in worksheet 2? सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए?
Yes, sir.
किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? हेलो,
Sir, question number 4.
have you tried question number 4? Have you tried to solve question number 4? आपने ट्राई किया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करने के लिए? हेलो, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
have you tried? आपने पहले ट्राई किया क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करने के लिए? मैं चाहूंगा कि सारे बच्चे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ट्राई कर ले. ट्राई करके देखें कि क्वेश्चन आपसे सॉल्व हो रहा है कि नहीं. All you have to try to solve the question number 4 at least 3 times. After 3 times, if you become unable to solve question number 4, then I will solve that questions frequently. हमने बताया है बहुत बार बच्चे को कि हमसे वही क्वेश्चन पूछना है जिसको आपने ट्राई कर लिया है और आपसे नहीं सॉल्व हो रहा है. अगर आप ट्राई नहीं करते हैं बेटा और क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो फिर ब्रेन शार्प नहीं होगा, बच्चा मेरा सीख नहीं पाएगा. इसलिए पहले आप ट्राई करें, इसके बाद क्वेश्चन पूछें. अगर आप ट्राई कर लिए हैं तो बता देते हैं, नहीं तो अगर नहीं ट्राई किए हैं तो कोई बात नहीं है. कल वाले क्लास में ट्राई करने के बाद अगर नहीं बनता है तो मैं बता दूंगा. बट यू मस्ट ट्राई. हैव यू ट्राइड और नॉट? आपने ट्राई किया है या नहीं? हेलो, हेलो, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
आपने ट्राई किया है या नहीं?
बिनल 2 बार ट्राई की है, सॉल्व कर दी इस क्वेश्चन को। हेलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4